Order 150548. It's time to get to packing. You sprung into spring with our Tulip and Friends butter slime, and kept it classy with our fuzzy pink poodle cloud slime. Oh, and the shimmery dill holes are a must-have. Great choice. And can we get a happy birthday in the comments? We here at Kawaii Slime Company hope all your wishes come true. You also spent enough for a mystery gift, so enjoy this corn squishy. Who doesn't love corn? It makes popcorn. As always, each slime order comes with a free slime softener and slime activator, and for commenting your order, here's a free mini heart slime. If you want to see your order packed, comment your order number down below and we might just choose you.